Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have IOTX daily update. We are going to see two charts and make a technical analysis in two platforms, Coinbase and Binance. So because we have many differences right there, I will do technical analysis on both. Before we continue, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description box and in the comment section. Buy me a coffee / mind your crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities for 200 altcoins. You will be able to buy and sell and to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You can recover your losses and you can get easy profits, and you will learn technical analysis through educational videos, market updates, personal guidance, and you will have many more benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed right now quickly into the IOTX against Bitcoin chart. Right here you can see that on the 4-hour frame, what do we have? We are on Coinbase. Okay, on Coinbase right now, on the 4-hour frame, we had this bearish candlestick right there, minus 29%. Okay, so this thing right here isn't so good. If we go on the 1-hour frame, you will see that we had a very nice bearish engulfing candlestick and an evening start pattern. What happens is we get a green bullish candlestick, a doji candlestick, and then a red bearish one. This is an evening star and this is not good. On the 4-hour frame, you can see that we have a little bit of a correction going on. We have very high actually very high risk on the RSI. You can see that the cut rate here is a little bit skeptical in whether we should be buying or not. I do not think that it wants us to buy right now IOTX against Bitcoin chart. Okay. On the other hand though, if we go to the daily frame, we have a very high risk on the RSI. You can see common channel index, stochastic RSI and everything. So yes, we have a very high risk for IOTX against Bitcoin chart on Coinbase. Let's go to the 4-hour frame for IOTX against USDT. We have the same here. I do believe that a good buying entry would be if we go a little bit below the 23 cents actually, or upon 23 cents. This would be a good rebuying entry. For the time being though, do not do any mistake. We are on the USDT valuation, so 23 cents USDT. Okay, so I think that we are going to correct more. I think that IOTX against USDT on Coinbase, it's going to correct more. But what we are going to do right now is to see, for example, IOTX against Bitcoin on the Binance and IOTX against USDT on the Binance as well. So we are going to start with Bitcoin, and you can see what we have right here on the 4-hour frame is a lower high pattern. And each time we are going lower and lower. For example, here we were higher, lower here and lower here. If we do not break this resistance level and close above, we cannot go above. Okay, the 0.50342. And the next price targets would be this one right here and this one right there. But for the time being, we need to close above and we need to make sure that we are going even higher. On the daily frame though, we have something different on IOTX against Bitcoin in the Binance than on the Coinbase. We have a bullish pattern when we have this high here for the RSI, you can see that, while the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold. When this happens on the daily frame or whichever time frame you want, it is a bullish sign that we might be getting even higher. For IOTX, this would mean that we can go potentially above the 20.3 cents. But if you want to be more sure, we have to close above the target I mentioned before. If we do not do that, then we won't be getting even higher from the 20.3 cents. Next targets, 21.5 and of course the 22.6 cents. Can we get there? Yes, we can. For the time being though, we have a high risk on the 4-hour frame for IOTX against Bitcoin chart, and therefore it wouldn't be a great advice to buy recklessly right now. What you need to do is to wait, or if you want further confirmation right there, we need to have maybe the RSI breaking above this high right here, let's say around here. Okay, we need to break above, or we need to let the RSI go near the 30. Or better, we need to see that the stochastic RSI isn't going so further above, because you can see that we can get clearly into an overbought situation soon enough, and then we might be getting rejection right here. On IOTX in the Coinbase platform, it is very, very possible that we drop further down. So please do not buy right there. But on the IOTX against USD on the 4-hour frame on Binance, it is looking better than the Coinbase, okay? Because on the daily frame, we have this bullish thing right here that we have the RSI nice and clear, and the stochastic RSI, we got it into an oversold situation right there. We need to wait a little bit the 20-day MA probably to reach the price. IOTX can go further upwards, but for the time being, if you want to make sure that we are going higher, please check the IOTX against Bitcoin chart, and if we can make it above this lower high, actually the same low, you can see here pattern, we can go even higher. It is very, very bullish to know that once we close above, for example, once we break above, probably we are going even higher for IOTX against Bitcoin chart, and therefore for IOTX against USDT, we can have a further pump up. But if you trade on Coinbase, please be careful. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below and in the comment section. buymeacoffee.com/mindyourcrypto is the link. Thank you, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.